Hello friends, hello everyone, hello world, hello Philippines. Here I am again. My name is Mercy Faith, a passionate yoga practitioner, and I love to share my passion with you through my channel where I share my practice. It is my pleasure if you would join me amidst the mountains, meadows, and with nature's friends, the cows, the cattle, as you can hear on the background. And this is in the Swiss Alps. In my free days, I just love to go out to the nature. I love hiking. I run half marathons, and if I had time, I also practice anywhere, wherever I am. So this sequence is a 15-minute yoga flow, which focus on to strengthen our hips, stretches the back of our legs, the quadriceps, the thighs, the lower body. Really fits for all runners, for all hikers, and for everybody who just want to move their body and just feel good. I hope you will join me. It would be an advantage if you already practiced yoga. For beginners, please consult your doctor or your physician if this practice would suit you. So my friends at home, all you need is a mat, and for my friends outdoor, you just find a comfortable place. The practice will all be in standing position. So walk to the top of your mat. Let's begin with mountain pose, Tadasana. Bring your hands beside your body, shoulder down, your feet grounded to the earth, and take a deep breath on your nose. Breathe out your mouth. 3 more. Breathe out. In and out. Then on the inhale, bring your hands up to the sky, stand tall, and drop down to your forward fold. Breathe out. Elongate your spine, breathe in and breathe out. Hands down on the floor, left leg, step back, find your balance, and bring your hands up to the sky. Then lower your hips, feel the stretch. Now bend your elbows at the height of your shoulders. Then you breathe in, you open your heart, and you breathe out. Bring your elbows together in front. And then breathe in, open your heart, then close shoulder blades. Push away from each other. Now one more time. You breathe in, open your heart, and you breathe out. Shoulder blades away from each other, elbows together. Stay here and bring your hands to prayer pose. Namaste. And then twist to your right side. Bring your left elbow to your right knee. Push your hands together, upright position, upper body. Don't collapse down. And then try to bend your knee and straighten your knee so you are really on your twist. Then take a deep breath in one more time and then breathe out. Then slowly release from the twist. Bring your hands on the floor and bring your right leg together on the back to your plank. Then slowly come down and Maybe you can release the top of your feet and come to mini cobra, or if you wish, up dog. Look up and then breathe out to your downward facing dog. Bring your hips up to the sky. Feel the stretch on the back sides of your legs. Long spine space between your shoulders, neck release, head release, and then you breathe in, bring your left leg up, and then place it between your hands and breathe in to your high lunge. Again, bring your hands up to the sky. Reach up. Then let's do 3 dynamic movements, bending your elbows, breathe in, breathe out, closing, breathe in, opening, and then closing again. One more time, close your elbows, open your elbows, then breathe in, clasp your hands together behind your back, then go to your forward fold by breathing out, bringing your upper body down in the height of your upper legs, left leg. And then clasp the hands together, bring your hands to your head as much as you can, or just stay in which position it's available for you. One more breath and then slowly release back to your high lunge. Then also release your hands. Once again, bring your hands up and then hands down to the floor. Lift your back leg and step forward. Then come to elongate your back, half forward fold. Then breathe out, forward fold, release any tension at the back, on your hips. And then slowly come up, then hands to prayer, or place on your heart. Take a deep breath here and breathe out. Now let's repeat the same sequence on the other side. So take a deep breath, bring your hands up on the sky, open your heart, open your arms, then fold down, breathe out to your forward fold. Elongate your spine to your half forward fold, Ardha Uttanasana. Then place your hands on the ground, right leg back, big step to your high lunge. Then breathe in and bend your elbows and come to your dynamic. Breathe in, open your arms, open your heart, breathe out, close your elbows to the front, shoulders away from each other. Then 2 more. This dynamic, breath in, opening your breast, opening your heart, and closing your elbows together. Breathe out. 1 more time. Breathe in, open, and breathe out. Close your arms. Then 1 more time, you breathe in, you open your arms again, then twist to your left side. Then bring your hands together to Namaste and your right elbow to your left knee and stay on this twist. Give space to your upper body and maybe bend your knee and then straighten your back knee again to really go on this twist. And take a deep breath there and breathe out. Slowly release from the twist, then place back your hands on the ground. Left leg, step back to your plank and take a vinyasa, mini cobra or up dog, then to your downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Stay for 3 breaths here and integrate a few movements. You can walk your dog and to your next breathe in, lift your right leg to your 3-legged dog and place it in between your hands. Lift yourself up to your high lunge. Then find your balance. Bring your hands to the sky, and then again 3 dynamic opening your heart and closing through your elbows in front of your body. One more time, open, then close your arms together. Then we'll open your arms once again and bring your hands back clasped together, your fingers clasped together. Then again, open your heart and bow down to your forward fold, humble warrior. And maybe you can direct your hands to your head to go deeply into your forward fold in this position. Your upper body is beside your right leg. Take a deep breath in and out. Release your hands. Raise your hands to the sky. High lunge, and then place back in front of your legs to the ground, and lift your back leg up and place it together forward. Next, breathe in, elongate your spine, and come breathing out to your forward fold. Then slowly come up with bended knees to your Tadasana and hands to your heart. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slow down. Find back your calm breath. Next asana, let's take a standing pigeon pose with eagle arms. Then stand firmly on your right leg. Take the left leg bended and place your feet while bending the standing leg on your upper thigh. Then place your hands forward and take the eagle arms, bind your hands together through your elbows, and you breathe out, go down to like doing a forward fold down to the ground. You can place your elbows on your feet, your bended knees, or put it down, place down if you can on the ground, and feel the stretch on your hips, on your legs, on your groins, and then release. Then push your left knee to your breast one more time, and let's take the other leg. Our last pose, asana, for today's practice. So find your balance and put your weight on your left leg. Steady on the ground, and take your right knee bended and bend your knees and place your feet over the top of your left knee, and then bring your hands forward, binding it together through your elbows, or just placing together, and then come to your forward fold. Come to your elbows. You can place it on your chin, on your legs, on your binded legs, folded legs, or if you want, you can release your hands and place it on the ground and release on a forward fold, keeping your head heavy, releasing some tensions on your lower back, on your hips, on your groins, and just enjoy this pose. Then slowly release and come up. Raise your hands for a moment, and then take your right knee Embrace your knee one more time, and then now shake, 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 fully release. We've done it very well. Hands to your heart in Namaste, and feel the energy you have just created through your practice. Let your breath settle again to stillness, to calmness. Fill your heart with gratitude, and I thank you for practicing with me, and wish you well, healthy body and calm mind. See you again. I hope if you like my videos, you can subscribe and leave a message. And if you have friends which you think it can also benefit practicing yoga, don't hesitate to share my videos. And once again, thank you and enjoy the view which was taken at the midst of the Swiss Alps. Thank you, my friends, and wish you happiness in life. Namaste.